Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with this super easy vertical ombre tutorial. So if you would like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I'm just starting off with 2 coats of regular white gel polish. You can use any brand of gel polish that you have. The one that I'm using is by the brand Gelish and the color is Arctic Freeze. So you just want to do 2 even layers of the gel polish and cure this in your gel lamp for 60 seconds. Since we are going to be using pigments for the ombre, the most important part of the tutorial is not to remove the tacky layer from the white gel polish. If you remove the tacky layer, your pigments won't have anything to stick to. Now for pigments, I use the Mayo Makeup Pigment Stack. I'll leave the link in the description bar below. So I just took out all the colors that I would like to use and I'm brushing that right into the tacky layer of the gel polish. So I'm going to brush the blue on one side and I'm going to take the pink and brush that onto the other side of the nail. Now you want to make sure that you blend them in the center. It happens pretty seamlessly, so it's not too much work. So for the middle finger, I'm going to take the pink on one side and then blend an orange color on the other side. Now you repeat the same steps for each nail so that the colors kind of continue on to the next finger. Remember to clean off your brush in between the colors so that you're not mixing them together. So continuing on, I'm going to use the orange color on one side and I'm going to use a lighter, more neon orange on the other side of the nail. The pinky nail will be this neon orange and also a neon yellow color. So this is how the nails look so far. As you can see, they're super bright thanks to that white base and the pigments that I chose. For my thumb, I'm going to use a green and a blue. You'll also see a small gap. That's what happens when you remove the tacky layer of the gel polish. The pigments literally won't stick. The nails look with all of the pigments applied. Now we're ready for top coat, so I'm using the OPI Axiom top coat and you just want to top coat each nail. This top coat cures in 30 seconds in my LED UV gel lamp. So I'm going to go ahead and cure and I'll be right back. So these are the finished results. So I finished curing my nails and I went ahead and washed my hands to remove all of the extra pigments off my skin. I really hope that you all enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share with your friends, and stay tuned for future videos. Bye guys!